Alright, I'm just gonna do this again. I'll show you. This is the unit that I purchased online, Hawkforce CS36L. As you can see, some of these parts are rusty or got some moisture through there, or I don't know. I can't basically charge this up. No matter how long I have it on charge, it won't pass the orange LED. There's a green one as well, so it will never stop charging, and it's basically off-centered. See, even if I put in one of these bits, you can see that it's not spinning even. It goes around like this. The other thing is it's very weak. Basically, it just does not. I could not even unscrew anything from a computer board. So that's it. That's it. It's gone. Anyhow, well, I'm not happy with this unit. As I said, it's rusty, it doesn't charge. Apart from all that, it is comfortable to hold and all that. But yeah, I don't think it's worth the money, and especially that I can't use it because it doesn't actually charge up. So yeah, that's why I'm returning it.